Hola, my name is Maribel, and this is a quick tutorial on how to open up your thoracic spine, your rib cage, for back bending using my favorite equipment ever, my stall bars. I'm aware that not everyone has stall bars, so I will also demo with blocks. As you can see, I have two pairs of blocks. One is set up at its lowest level, as wide as the mat, and the other one is next to it, slightly higher. So you have a block that's low and you have a block that's high. The more blocks you have, the more you can play. Let's get started. So with this one, you'll want to set up near the wall and have your blocks set up. That way when you push, there's nowhere for the blocks to go and your back can open more, okay? So your head fits perfectly between the blocks. If not, move the blocks until it does, okay? When you set up, your elbows are facing up, not out, up. Your fingers face down. You're not flat palming the block and flexing the wrist excessively. You're going to claw and make sure you can use your finger pads. All right, so first step, elbows in. Plug the shoulders back. Inhale, lift your hips and lift into your version of a back bend. And just feel it out, see what it feels like today. This is me doing like, I don't know, 70% effort. Notice that the wall is there and I'm trying to kiss the wall. All right, when it feels like I've been here for 5 breaths or I'm ready to play, you would exhale, bend your elbows 90% as though you're gonna come down, and psych, bring your head back towards your calves, reset, press your chest to wall, walk your feet in. Inhale, this is 1. Exhale, come down as though you're gonna back off. Psych, I'm not backing off. Heel, head towards your heels, lift up, lift your heels, chest to wall. 2 out of 3. Exhale, come down. Psych, I'm not coming down. Head towards your knees, change your mind, lift your heels, walk your feet in, chest to wall. This is it. Option 1, that's all you do, back off. Option 2, come out enough that you can place your hands on blocks. Everything else is the same. Elbows point towards the ceiling and you lift up. This is a little wide for me, so I'm gonna use the stall bars because like I said, I have them, but you can have your hands on blocks. This is me doing my best at this height. Inhale, exhale, come down 90%. Nope, not coming down. Head towards your butt, lift up, lift your heels, chest to wall. This is 1. Exhale, come down, head back, lift up. This is 2. Head down, come back. This is 3. Lift your heels, lift your hips, chest to wall. If you have a stall bar, you could keep going up, and each time you try again and again and again until eventually you accidentally stand up.